What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Crypto, where we got the best crypto news, charts, strategies, and everything in between. First thing, Bitcoin obviously has been on a slight pump. We got all the way up to 32,300, almost 32,400. But make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to explain why you shouldn't get too excited right now. Just hold that in for a little bit. Probably another, I don't know exactly, probably another couple weeks, months. But I wouldn't get too excited about this bump. And I'm going to get a little deeper into that later in the video. But if we just zoom in on the chart here, I'm on the hourly Bitcoin. This is the KuCoin chart, but it's the same for every other one. So at about May 29th it's been a slight uptick ever since the 27th, and we got all the way up here. This box you see, this white box, this is actually a supply zone. If you look right here, I got it mapped all the way from over there. Now, I'm not necessarily expecting this supply zone to hold. Maybe we come up a little bit more. And in the article I'm going to show you in a little bit, it's saying if it does pump up, it should pump up to about here, 37,000-ish. And if, as you can see, that's another supply zone right up here. But what I'm expecting price to do from here is basically, play around a little bit up in here, maybe come up a little more, and then make its way down probably to these areas here. Maybe fill in some imbalance, maybe just fill in these and go. But I'm definitely expecting a down tick. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, what you're feeling Bitcoin's going to do. That's just what I'm thinking. So with that, let's go ahead and move to crypto bubbles. Take a look. We got a lot of gainers today. And this past 3 days, honestly, we've had a lot of green. Kava up 15, Waves 14. I think Waves is up like 40 or 50% on the week. Let's go ahead and look at coin market cap for that. All right, so we got Bitcoin up 3% today. Ethereum is lagging behind. It's only up 0.7%, and they're overall down 1% for the whole week, whereas Bitcoin's up 8%. Biggest gainers today, we got Kava, Hot, Cardano, Waves, Axie Infinity, Kusama, Stellar. We got a lot of 6%, 5, 4 down here. The biggest gainers on the week is definitely Waves with 46%. And then we also got Helium, Cardano, Stellar, Cello, Bora, Kava. We got a lot of them. Biggest losers today, Monero, ApeCoin, and Avalanche. They're still, floating under 4%. Not too horrible. Biggest losers on the week, we got Stepin, Elron, ApeCoin, AVAX, Compound, and Solana. Okay. Moving on to the stories. The first one, I'm just going to get into the Bitcoin one because that's probably what most people are interested in. And then after this, I got some news on Terra, which is it just continues to amaze me how stupid these people are over there at Luna. All right, so the Bitcoin price rallies to about 32.3K, but three factors could limit its recovery. I'm not going to go through this whole article. I'll just give you the short version. Macroeconomic fears may weigh on any further upside potential. We got the global food shortage. Fears mount at commodities price rise. The primary contributor to the steady rise is obviously inflation. In particular, it says wheat hit all-time highs. Wheat futures have increased as much as 76% and over 143% in the last 18 months. So that's definitely not good. Oil futures continue to rise and are now trading at levels not seen since July 08, which is the last real recession crisis. We had the housing crisis and the bank bailouts and all that. So oil hasn't seen this price since then. So that's definitely not good news at all. Growth concerns in the stock market, rising inflation, soaring commodity costs, supply chain disruptions, and the conflict in Ukraine basically put risk on investors and traders on the defensive. They're not really wanting to get into the markets right now, and honestly, I don't blame them. Along with that, we also have several high impact economic events this week, likely to pause any major price action moves in equities and cryptos, including Bitcoin. The European Union unemployment data release is on June 1st. The Bank of Japan's interest rate decision and manufacturing data is coming out on June 1st also. And then on the 3rd, we have U.S. unemployment numbers and non-farm payroll data. So all those numbers are going to come in, and they're probably going to all be bad. So not looking like the stock market's going to do too good along with cryptos. And the last thing that they're saying is something that may limit Bitcoin's recovery is obviously technical levels. Myself, I used to pay a lot of attention to technical levels and technical analysis and all that. Now I got a whole new way of thinking. So I don't really pay too much attention to this. Because honestly, as a retail trader, you can still make a lot of money in a bear market. So if it goes down or up, you can still clock in some money. But basically, the technical levels, it's saying historical record. Obviously, we had 9 consecutive red candles, weekly candles. And then if Bitcoin price can close above 31,350, then it's a very open path to hit 37,000. But once they hit that 37,000, they may be where the bulls face sellers again. Okay, you guys can come to where is this Cointelegraph for this one. Check it out yourself. These next two things are some more problems with Terra Luna. One $90 million hack of Terra's mirror protocol went unnoticed for 7 months. I mean, what do you got to be doing to have a hack go unnoticed for 7 whole months? This guy was hacked $90 million worth. It's just crazy. So the $90 million hack goes unnoticed. Mirror protocol is on the Terra chain. It's for the creation of digital synthetics, which track the price of real-world assets. On May 17th, community members discovered a bug, and the guy siphoned as much as $90 million starting from October 8th, 2020. He went by the alias of Fat Man. The hacker unlocked the other users' collateral on Mirror Protocol and withdrew it for themselves. The code has been exploited hundreds of times since 2021, obviously allowing to get this 90 mil. What are you guys doing? I mean, what is Terra doing to allow it for 7 months? 100 different exploits. Think about that. 100 different exploits, and they can't stop it. They didn't even know about it. On-chain data indeed confirms that the hacker unlocked UST funds in the Mirror Protocol, multiple within the same transaction, paying only about $18 to do so. Just days after discovery, suffered another further attack on May 30th, where he got another 2 milli from the protocol. Attacker taking advantage of the mismatched price between the old Luna Classic token and the new Luna token. Another thing that bothers me a lot is that the Mirror Protocol developers, without any official communication to the community, that the code has been exploited. It's ridiculous, right? If you look on here, I got my Luna Classic, 104,500 tokens, worth $12. And then I'm going to put this link in the description. You guys can come check it out. It's about basically Luna messing up their airdrop. Just some more bad news about it. So look in the description for that. I think that about does it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.